Do you have brain fog, something we jokingly call mom brain? It looks like being chronically tired mixed with can't think straight and stressed out. Does this lead to anxiety and anger? Anxiety because your nervous system is stuck in fight or flight mode and you can't get out of it. And anger because you're not able to function the way you want to or the way you used to. If this is you, just know upper cervical chiropractic care can help. Here's 2 ways that this can be affected by your upper neck being out of place. So when the upper neck is out of place, it affects 2 major things we're going to talk about. Number 1 is the brainstem, and number 2 is the actual brain itself. So let's start with the brain itself. When the neck is misaligned, it affects the blood flow into the head, so getting the nutrients to the brain as well as out of the brain so we can get the bad stuff out. And the cerebrospinal fluid, or that fluid that your brain floats in, that provides it a bunch of nutrients as well. And so if the upper neck is misaligned, it affects that flow. It's just not working properly. It's not getting everything that it needs. It's getting enough to survive, but not all that it needs to function optimally. And when we talk about the brainstem, we're talking about the balance between the parasympathetic, or that rest and digest, and the sympathetic, which is that fight or flight nervous system. When people's neck is out, it pushes them to this side into fight or flight mode, and they don't know why. They can't get out of that. And as we adjust them, it brings them back into rest and digest. So it's the combination of these 2 things that can help with brain fog, anger, and anxiety as a result.